In this video, we're going to be talking about our social media management program and how it really helps you stand out and build your presence on social media. Let's jump in and check it out. So here's the deal. Social media marketing is about being smart with your marketing because smart marketing is about being where your customers are and where they're spending their time. And the bottom line is they're spending their time on social media. So here's the deal. If you don't have a presence there and you don't have a strategy to build engaging content there and build a community there, you are losing sales and losing market share to your competitors. And so our social media management program helps you fix that. Let me show you how it works. So with our social media management program, we'll work hard to create, design, and schedule eye-catching social media posts. We'll then improve your brand awareness and engagement with your target audience. And then finally, we'll help expand your social reach and overall audience as a whole. So let's break these down and what we're doing in each of these categories. So first off, we'll design, create, and schedule eye-catching social posts. So what does that mean? So first off, we're going to create relevant content that's trustworthy content for your brand, that's branded with your brand voice, your visuals that match your brand, and we're going to create that for you. The hardest part about marketing a lot of times is just creating the content. So we have expert designers and content creators that do this for you. They'll then schedule all your content within the Marketing 360 platform at optimum times. You'll have an opportunity to review that content. If there's any revisions needed, we can take care of that for you and then schedule the content so it goes live to your audience on the applicable platforms. Also, it's important to note that our designers and content creators are all in-house. This isn't something we outsource. We don't outsource jack. These people are talented people that are a part of our team that understand your brand and get better and better over time based on your feedback. The second thing we're going to do is improve your brand awareness and engagement with your target audience. So what we're going to do there is have a dedicated social media manager that understands your brand and understands your business and really understands your target audience, that's going to proactively monitor and respond to comments and do proactive engagement with your audience to really build that trust and credibility that you need to be a trustworthy brand on social media and build that ultimate market share that you're looking for. And the last thing we're going to do is expand your social reach and overall audience. Just continue to really work on building your audience, building your followers so that you're always growing on social media. So what we're going to do here is, in addition to organic strategies, we're also going to implement paid strategies, such as paid promotion campaigns to boost your social content, get more eyeballs on it, and ultimately lead to more likes, more views, more followers, etc. We're also going to provide you monthly performance reports that you'll have access to 24/7 in the platform to take a look at your performance overall whenever you want. And lastly, we're going to do continual research and optimization and strategy planning and ideation to really come up with the best consistent ways to grow your brand on social media and help you achieve your sales goals and your ultimate goals as a brand. So let's walk through how our plans work. So first off, you're going to pick a primary platform. This is the base platform you'd like us to manage. We're going to sync our main focus into that. And so the way to think about this is there's a lot of social platforms, but really put some thought into what's the number one platform that you feel your target audience is spending their time? Is it Facebook? Maybe it's LinkedIn because maybe you're a B2B business. Maybe it's Instagram because you have a little younger demographic. Really think about that. And that's going to be that base core platform that we're going to really make sure you're dialed in on. The next thing is you're going to add additional platforms. So if there's any additional platforms where your audience is spending their time, what are those? And we want to understand that. We can also create custom plans based on your needs and any custom platform that you might be interested in. So feel free to talk to us about that. We have great default strategies and programs for these core platforms, but we also are nimble and ready to adjust to a strategy that works best for your brand. Definitely give us a call, talk to us. We'd love to discuss your social media goals, your strategies that you've thought through, and also help provide you additional ideas and strategies that we believe will help make you successful. One of our marketing consultants is standing by and they can help strategize with you. It's totally free, and the information, whether you work with us or not, should be valuable to help you grow your social media presence. Also, keep in mind, and it's important to note, that our content marketing strategies, and check out that video on content marketing as well, that walks you through that program that we provide, also include social media. But the one difference is with our content marketing program and our social media management program is our content marketing program is producing and distributing social media content, but it isn't necessarily including the management of it. So somebody that's actively doing engagement, your community, responding to comments, that kind of a thing is not included with the content marketing program, whereas with the social media management program, it is. So with social media management, you get that dedicated person for your team without the salary. That's basically your team's social media management expert to grow your brand and your influence online with social media. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful in helping you understand a little bit more about our social media management program. Thank you for considering us to help work with you to grow your business. Please give us a call. We'd love to talk more. Happy marketing.